Hello, my name is Steve Baker, and today I want to show you how easy it is to make a move request inside the VeCap system. The VeCap CRM system has the ability to notify your porters directly via email or SMS text messages, increasing the productivity of getting that vehicle moved out of a technician's bay, off the drop-off location from a customer who just made a new service repair order. Anything that can speed up your ability to communicate with the person who's moving those vehicles, and we refer those inside the software as a porter. So once again, you see right here, we have the software is telling us right now we have a pending move for a customer, the actual current location where it's located and the new location where they want to move it. And every time you add and complete, this will actually refresh and change the status of the pending moves that are happening right now. So right now, let's go to vehicles. Let's find a vehicle. Now, remember, a vehicle has to be on site. That means if a customer dropped off that vehicle, you've already made a customer agreement, and that will make the vehicle move from off-site to on-site. So we'll look down here. Mr. Michael Young right here has a vehicle that's on site. We need to make a move request. We're going to come over here and click on move request. And this is going to bring up all the available parking spots that we have available. So right now we're just going to say West parking lot, space 1. Click there and request move. Now that move has been made. As you can see, the screen is now refreshed. There is that move waiting for the porter. The porter will initially acknowledge that move to let you know that he's been notified of it. And then once it's completed, it'll actually be moved in that slot. He'll be inside the software and hit completed, and then it'll take it out of the pending moves. So that's how simple it is to make a move in the VeCap software. But this process right here of receiving and also bringing vehicles back to customers when their service repair order is done greatly increases the productivity, or the wait time, decreases the wait time, and that makes your customer even happier, your technicians, everybody inside the process of getting that vehicle moved around inside your dealership. So once again, my name is Steve Baker. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions or comment, let us know, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.